We've kept the DDM licensing as simple as we possibly can. If you're a DDM Office user or a DDM CAD user, the licenses are single floating concurrent user licenses. So we haven't machine locked them and we haven't name locked them to a user. What we also have is a web client offering, which is a server-side license for unlimited users. In addition to that, we have a server-side option for multi-site database and/or file server replication. We sell DDM as a configurable out-of-the-box solution. It comes with full document management, multi-CAD data management, bill of material management. We have folders for business processes, including a graphical workflow engine so that we can map and automate those business processes. It also comes with our Enterprise Update Manager, which allows us to transfer released information to downstream business systems like MRP or ERP. The beauty of this out-of-the-box solution is that there are no additional modules required that you have to purchase as you start to extend the use of the product. The DDM CAD license is a multi-CAD license. So out of the box it supports SolidWorks, Creo, Solid Edge, Inventor, IronCAD, AutoCAD and Creo Elements Direct. You don't have to buy different CAD plugins dependent on whether you're using one CAD system or multiple CAD systems. The DDM CAD license will unlock all of those interfaces. DDM's graphical workflow engine allows you to map any business process. Now, most businesses have got some form of regulatory compliance requirements, whether it's ISO compliance or FDA, for example. What we've done is, rather than trying to start from scratch, it's much easier to work from something. So included in the DDM out-of-the-box solution, we have what we would describe as best practice generic start points for these workflows, and we've included non-conforming products, we've included corrective action, preventative action, change orders, new product development and audits. Something that's been really successful over the last couple of years is that we introduced quarterly workshops. Any supported customer comes along to these workshops free of charge. We run a northern and a southern event. For overseas customers, we run them online. But what it gives us really is the opportunity to share with the customer what we've developed over the last quarter and explain what we've done and how it can help them with their business. They all get to interact with each other to share experiences as well, and they get to tell us what they would like to see in the product and why. It's a big part of what we do now. Is most of what's driving the product forward is actually coming from what the businesses need to be able to get the best benefit from the product. The way that we develop and release DDM is we do it now on a monthly basis. Occasionally it's quarterly if we're working on a big chunk of change. But the monthly releases mean that we don't have a major annual release. If you look at all of the other products within our market, typically it's a big chunk of work, and most of the systems have to get the vendor or the reseller of the solution to put that upgrade in place for them, and that costs time and money. It's downtime and it's consulting cost. The way that we develop DDM is that the customers can upgrade themselves, and because we do monthly development releases, it's much easier to take small chunks on board and benefit from the enhancements that we're putting into the product.